Hello, my name is David Hober, and today we are going to learn how to repair a small and then a large pull in a grenadine tie. The art of repairing a pull in a grenadine tie is easy to learn, but requires patience. You should not cut the pull, but instead use a needle and thread to push the pull into the fabric. The bigger the pull, the more times you will need to use your needle to push the pull into the tie. At the end, your tie will be as good as new. Now, let's watch Noi as she showed us how it's done.